Hey you! Yeah, you. Are you tired of getting those hangovers the next day? Get red from alcohol? Well, I've got just the thing for you. Ready Patch. Apply 2 patches 30 minutes before drinking and you're ready to roll.
Oh my god, I feel better already. If you haven't heard of Ready Patch, check them out. I personally suffer from Asian glow and sometimes I get headaches the next day, but you just apply 2 of these and it'll help you with your Asian glow. Huge shout out to Ready Patch for sending me these for free just to try out. Honestly, I've been trying it for like 2 weeks now and it works awesome. Check it out, link will be in the description below. Guys, drink responsibly. Always drink Hennessy. Now let's get today's video started. Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. You guys all know during this quarantine right now, it can get a little bit boring. So for today's video, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be modding my dad's car without him knowing. I've been meaning to give his car an oil change because he's needed one for a while. And today's the day we're finally gonna do that. I'm not really gonna film much of the oil change because I'm sure plenty of you know how to change your oil. If not, maybe I'll have a little bit of clips just showing me doing it. But we're gonna be installing some parts onto his car. What I originally had planned was just to throw a cold air intake, which I actually got one. Huge shout out to Jonathan, J Magic. He actually let me borrow his cold air intake because he doesn't have the Lexus anymore, unfortunately, but his new car is super sick. We're gonna pretty much install it onto my dad's car and we're gonna see if we can get a reaction out of him without him knowing. But I also really want to throw on my BBSs onto his car. I know he has stock suspension and it won't look that great, but I feel like it'll be kind of cool just him coming home, seeing his car on different wheels, and then maybe he'll want to get aftermarket wheels. Pretty much get started on the oil change real quick and then we're going to install the intake. I'm super stoked because everyone has told me once you put an aftermarket intake on the IS200T or 300, you can hear the spool better, the turbo, and it just sounds like you have a mean blow-off valve. So let's go ahead and get started. I did it. All right guys, got the filter off, got the new one, put it in there. Don't forget to take out this O-ring, throw it away, swapping it with the new one. Make sure to lube this up before you put it on. Don't forget the O-ring on this side too. Tighten everything back up. And last but not least, the drain bolt. Always get a new gasket, no matter what. It's only like 80 cents or like $1 from Lexus or Toyota. So make sure you always get that, put it on here, plug everything back up. All right, so I believe this car takes, I wanna say like 4.7 quarts. This is 5 quarts, 0W30. So someone told me to try doing it like that. Oh yeah. So I think I'm gonna fill up 2/3 of this and then I'm gonna inch it from there just to make sure that I don't overfill it. My dad's car, since it's a smaller engine, it for sure takes less oil. Must be nice. Oil changes are only like maybe 38 bucks if you do it yourself. That's if you already have like the tools and everything. I think for my car, it's like maybe 60 bucks if I do it myself. I know you guys have all seen oil changes before, so this might be a little boring, but as soon as we finish this, we can go ahead and slap on the cold air intake. All right guys, just finished it. The dipstick, the oil level's right in between the 2 dots. Yes, that's it. Now we can go ahead and install this cold air intake. Damn, what do you guys think? Dude, that looks so much better. I love how it totally goes with his car. Ooh, peep the BBSs too. Damn, imagine if this thing was on bags with the fucking BBSs. Dude, this is so sick. It's a little monster truck for me, or a lot, but it's pretty dope. Modded my dad's car, let's get it. All right, hopefully I can convince him to go on a test drive with me because I did do his oil change and I want him to see how it runs, but let's see if we can get a reaction. Also, did you know that you have a turbo gauge to see how much PSI you're doing? My car doesn't have that. Though? Oh my God. Oh my God. It's a intake. It looks really cool, but the main thing is basically helps your car breathe better, but it also makes a really cool sound. Cool? I know you like it. I knew you would like it because I could already hear your car before I put it in, but this makes it so it's more open. And you don't even have to look. I don't even need to have this on. Like, you could be in regular drive mode. You don't have to be in sport. You don't even have to go fast. You can just floor it for a little bit. See, I'm only going 22. You just let go of the gas. But you have to see the turbo spool a little bit. Like, it's pretty cool, huh? So it's a good thing that you're not gonna sell this car if you ever want to sell it to me and I have money. That sounds so cool. It makes me want to turbo mine, but it's too expensive. And this is all factory turbo. This is your turbo from Lexus. What do you think? Okay, so my friend, he let me borrow it, but he doesn't have the car anymore. I told him I was gonna let you see how it is and maybe let you test drive it. And if you like it, I'll buy it from him for you. For you. I don't know. I haven't asked him, but you have to look at it. It looks so cool. It matches your car. You like it? I know you think it's pretty cool. You probably feel like Fast and the Furious. So do you want it? I'll buy it for you. 20 bucks, yeah, right. That thing's at least like 200 bucks. Dad, I'm not buying some cheap China stuff. Guys, he likes it. I think I'm gonna buy this for him. Jonathan, you heard that. We're gonna have to buy this off you. You guys know me. I'm very like ecstatic and just super hyped on everything. And he is the complete opposite. He is very stern, serious face, serious demeanor, like looks really scary, like you don't want to fuck with him. So whenever I just get a little glimpse of making him smile, because I've pretty much disappointed him my whole life. Oh man, it is so crazy to see him smile just a little bit, especially if I did it. I'm telling you, he is the man of the house. He's taken care of me my whole life. He just wants the best for me. If this was when I was 18 years old and I messed around with his car, he would have easily been like, put that back. Why are you wasting money? Blah, blah, blah. Now, I asked him if he wanted me to buy it for him, and he asked how much. That is so sick. He doesn't even care that it's not California carb legal. That was a success. And I can't stop smiling, guys. That was so funny. I hope that video didn't bore you guys too much. I'm going to go put back on my wheels onto my car, put his back to stock, and probably take it for another joyride and just really test it. He's letting me borrow the car for the whole day, so fuck it, why not? I love his car even more now. I've always liked my dad's car. He's the reason why I got my car. I'm so glad that I was able to inspire the person who inspired me to get this car. That is so insane. To be honest, I would have gone with InGen. That's another brand, but I really like this brand right here. I think it's BMS. It's so sick. It matches the color of his car. If I had his car, that would have been my first mod too, for sure. So I'm honestly glad that he's really stoked on it. Hopefully he lets me mod it a little bit more. I can get him like, you know, little things here and there. Not too expensive because I know he still wants to drive normal. And obviously we can't slam the car, so that's out of the question. Unless I get him like hydraulics or something, because he's old school like that. Another thing too is that the quarantine might go all the way until November. So stay inside, stay safe, stay with your loved ones, save a little bit of money, and watch my videos. Watch me spend my money. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.